No matter what the rich people or the state say, building skyscrapers has become their hobby. In today's world, there is a lot of competition among rich nations to build skyscrapers. Other skyscrapers follow Petronas Tower, Twin Towers, and Taipei Tower. And this is the tallest building in the world today. It was built in Dubai, a wealthy state in the Middle East. And the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, that wonders of the 21st century. In today's video, we will discuss the details of this tall building. So let's watch and stay with me till the end of the video. One of the architectural masterpieces in Dubai, this building is currently the tallest tower in the world. This wonderful building is located on Doha Street, Sheikh Zayed Road, Dubai, and the United Arab Emirates. The architect of this installation was Adrian Smith, from the USA. Construction of the Burj Al Khalifa began on September 21, 2004 and was completed in September 2009. Although it was touted as Burj Dubai during construction, during the inauguration, the Burj Khalifa was renamed in honor of the President of the United Arab Emirates, Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. On January 4, 2010, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al-Maktoum, ruler of Dubai, inaugurated the world's tallest building. The height of this skyscraper is 2,617 feet or 628 meters. The 163-story building is so high and the temperature difference between the ground floor and the top floor is about 10 degrees Celsius. The construction of this huge building has cost $1.5 billion. The construction of the fountain below the building cost £133 million. This foyer is displayed every half hour from Wednesday to Saturday. Now the question may come, what is the purpose of such a tall building? Burj Khalifa is actually a multi-dimensional building. It has a residential area of 165 million square feet, offices of 300,000 square feet, 1,044 apartments, and 6 double-decker elevators. There are also communication and broadcasting centers. There are well-known expensive hotels and restaurants. Not only this, but with the help of Burj Khalifa observation deck you can do wonders. From this deck, Burj Khalifa can be seen up to 90 kilometers on all 4 sides. In the same way, from a distance of 95 kilometers, this building can be seen with the naked eye. The world's tallest building weighs 500,000 tons. The construction of the tower took 330,000 cubic meters of concrete, 39,000 meters of steel, 103,000 square meters of glass, and 155,000 square meters of stainless steel. The building has 163 buses, 48 for technical work and 2 for parking below. It has the fastest elevator in the world, which travels at a speed of 16 meters per second, i.e. 40 kilometers per hour. It has the highest residential area in the world, up to 108 floors. The world's tallest mosque is on the 156th floor. On the 6th floor is the world's highest swimming pool. At the highest point is the highest observation deck. This building has a world record for suicides. On May 10, 2011, 18 months after the building opened, a man allegedly jumped from the 146th floor of the building. After jumping, the man fell to the 36th floor and was killed. The man committed suicide because of anger at his workplace. This is the record for most suicides by jumping from a high place. On December 31, 2010, at midnight, a colorful fireworks display was held in the building to welcome the new year. Which adorned the night sky with colorful decorations of Swapnapuri. Thousands of people witnessed the colorful scattering of fireworks from the tallest building that day. And in this way, the Burj Khalifa is standing with its head high on the chest of the earth.